Hello everyone, my name is Varchasa Agarwal and welcome to my channel Varchasa Codes. Today I am going to tell you how to implement graphics using Python Turtle. Before heading towards, subscribe to my channel to never miss an update. Today's agenda is what is Turtle and its introduction, how to build a pattern using Turtle and how angles can play a major role. Now, what is Turtle in Python? Turtle is a pre-installed library in Python that enables users to create pictures and shapes by providing them with a virtual canvas. In short, the Python Turtle library helps new programmers get a feel for what programming with Python is like in a fun and interactive way. Turtle is mainly used to introduce children to the world of computers. It's a straightforward yet versatile way to understand the concepts of Python. Now let's begin the implementation using Turtle. I'll be showing how to draw patterns of pentagons and stars using Turtle. Let's begin the coding. I'll be using Visual Studio Code and recommend you to use the same. First of all, we will import the library Turtle and we will also import random library for generating random RGB values. We will set the speed of our pattern as fastest. Now let's define our parameters. Our number of shapes will be 30 and exterior angle of each shape x will be 72 for pentagon. Alright, after that angle of rotation for the spiral will be 18. Now let's define our function. Let's iterate it till number of shapes. After that we will set color mode to 255 and choosing random integers between 0 and 255 to generate random RGB values. After that we will set the outline of our shape using pen color function and fill the color using fill color function. Now let's begin the filling of our shape. We will be using begin fill function for this in range and it will iterate till 5 because each pentagon has 5 sides. After that our filling will be completed by using end fill function and rotating for the next shape using right function. Now let's see how our patterns will look like. Now you can see these all pentagons are of count 30 and each shape is having exterior angle of 72 and angle of rotation is 18. Now let's see how the change in angle will differ the change in pattern. We will be setting exterior angle as 140 for generating the shape of stars and adding few lines in code. Now let's see what it generates. Sorry. This will generate the pattern of stars, and each star is having 140 as exterior angle and rotation angle is 18. I will be providing this code in my description box, and I have also written an article on Medium platform. I will be given the link of the same in the description box. Kindly have a look. If you are having any query related to this code, you can reach me out on LinkedIn. Hope you all find this video helpful. Thank you and have a nice day.